Prince Harry and Meghan Markle could follow Donald Trump's lead and invoke the Fifth Amendment if called to testify, a leading lawyer said. Sussex, accusing her sister of mockery, contempt and slander in comments the Duchess made about Samantha. Earlier this month, a Florida judge refused to stay a defamation suit filed by Meghan Markle's half-sister against the Duchess. This could potentially lead to Harry and Meghan having to give out-of-court testimony, which a witness gives under oath before an officer authorized to administer oaths for use later in the trial of the case. Nathaniel Mack, an attorney who has conducted hundreds of depositions in his 20-year career, said that while depositions can feel like torture and last for hours, Harry and Meghan may not have to answer every question. The video shows Trump refusing to answer any questions during the 4 hours of questioning as he invoked his right not to testify against himself as many as 400 times. He added, "Plaintiffs' counsel demanded that the testimony of both defendants be taken before any motions to dismiss the lawsuit were considered." Testifying can be viewed as a form of torture, especially for high-profile individuals who may be asked to disclose personal information. They can also be a test of a person's will and stamina. The high-profile cases involving Governor Cuomo and President Trump involved 9-hour and 11-hour depositions. But if Harry and Meghan are forced to testify under oath, their testimony is likely to be limited in scope and reveal few new details. It will be more of a show than anything else. He explained that Samantha's case is currently in the preliminary stage, known as the discovery stage. During this time, both sides have the opportunity to request information and evidence from the other side in preparation for trial. This includes written and oral discovery. The testimony in question is a form of oral discovery, he explained. The case appears to have missed the written discovery stage because the defendants may have refused to provide the answers requested. He also expressed surprise at the paltry £62,000, $75,000, that Samantha is suing for and why she chose Florida. The amount she's claiming as compensation for her alleged injury is pretty paltry compared to her claims, he said. However, her legal team seems determined to move this case forward. The fact that she chose to sue in Florida rather than a more liberal venue is interesting, given that the defendants reside in California. Nevertheless, the alleged defamatory statements made by the plaintiff appear to be subjective in nature. Samantha must substantiate the claims in her allegations by meeting her burden of proof under United States federal law. If the case is not dismissed, it will be interesting to see what evidence the plaintiff can present to support her claims. The judge's decision means that Samantha's attorneys will question the Prince and Duchess before July if the case goes forward. According to court documents, the deadline for disclosure of expert testimony is May 5, rebuttal June 5, and the deadline for disclosure is July 3. Samantha disagreed with comments made in the royal couple's stunning 2021 interview with Oprah and the 2020 book, In Search of Freedom. Her attorneys presented the court with nearly 40 questions they want answered. A mediator has also been appointed in the case in hopes of resolving the lawsuit without a trial.